Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install AlmaLinux OS 10 on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to AlmaLinux official website and download. AlmaLinux.org is the official website. Then click on download or download, both are same. Click on download. See here we have the AlmaLinux OS 10 and 9. In both we have the DVD ISO, boot ISO, minimal ISOs. Okay, and also see here we have the 8. Okay, in this video I am going to download DVD ISO. See the differences between DVD, boot and minimal. These are the differences. Okay, so click on this AlmaLinux OS 10.0 DVD ISO to download. No need to register, it is free to download. See, download started, go to download. See here its size is about 6.8 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Then click on next. Then select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Then click on browse. Then go to downloads or where you kept that downloaded ISO image. See here I have the AlmaLinux OS 10.0 DVD ISO. Select it. Then click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Click on next. Then provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine hardware summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware. I want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes. Increase by using this pointer, or you can provide memory in megabytes here. Remaining options I am okay. Then go to display. Here we have to unselect this one, otherwise you will get the white screen. Okay. So click on close. Then don't select this power on this virtual machine after creation. Then click on finish. Still if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or select it and go to VM and settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. Okay. Again I want to tell you, click on edit virtual machine settings. Then go to display. See here in 3D graphics, this accelerate 3D graphics must be unselected. Okay, cancel it. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows. Select the first one, that is install AlmaLinux 10.0. Hit enter. Now select the language. See here, welcome to AlmaLinux 10.0. Then select the language, then click on continue. See here the begin installation has been graded. We are unable to click on begin installation. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be configured or set up. Okay, so click on installation destination. I am okay with this default location. Then click on done. Then click on root account. See, by default it is disabled. I want to enable, so select enable root account. Then set the password for this root account. Confirm the same. Then you want to allow root SSH login with password. You have to select the checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on done. Then user creation. I am giving user full name as R2 Schools. This is the username. If you want to add administrative privileges to this user account, then you have to select the checkbox and require a password to use this account. Select the checkbox. Then set the password. Confirm the same. Then click on done. Then software selection. In base environment we have server with GUI, server, minimum install, workstation, custom operating system, virtualization host. Okay, I am going to select server with GUI. So if you select any one of these additional softwares will be changed. Let's see here. Select this one. See, those are changed. Okay, I'm going to install server GUI. Optionally, you can select in one of these by selecting these check boxes. Okay. Then click on done. If you want to change time and date, you can select it and you can change. Okay. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video and then it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now click on reboot system. Now click on username and provide the password. Click on skip. Now open terminal. Increase the font size. Now verify the version more /etc os-release. See, we have installed AlmaLinux 10 and its code name is Purple Line. Okay, duplicate. Now verify IP of this machine, ifconfig. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, control it. Now update the packages. Sudo dnf update && sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is going to install 7 packages and upgrade 218 packages. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. This will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install AlmaLinux OS 10.0 Purple Line edition on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more AlmaLinux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.